A wrench tool, specially designed for the rear nut of your faucet, was provided to you when you purchased your unit or a replacement faucet. This wrench will be used to secure the nut of your faucet when installing or removing it. You can now remove the moving parts from the tap stem, taking care to remember the order in which they are positioned. The next step is to insert one of the lips of the U-joint seal inside the ceramic wall of the main tank. To do this, you must force the silicone lip through the faucet hole until it is completely inside the ceramic tank. Now you need to lubricate the silicone gasket and the stem of the faucet with an isopropyl alcohol dab or with a little water. This step will facilitate the insertion of the valve into the silicone gasket. Now, insert the tap stem into the silicone seal, pressing firmly and using concentric movements until the tap is in place. Take with one hand, in this order, a silicone washer, the metal washer, and the metal nut. Insert these elements on the tap stem, inside the main tank, and screw the nut by hand until all elements are pressed against the ceramic wall. Secure the nut firmly with the wrench tool, or with your fingertips. With your other hand, turn the tap body clockwise 1 or 2 times on the outside of the tank until the silicone gasket is firmly pressed against the ceramic wall. Position the tap so that the lever-threaded rod is pointing up. You can now screw the ceramic handle onto the threaded rod of the faucet lever.